So if you're building AI agents, there's one benchmark you should absolutely know about, and that is the GAIA benchmark, GAIA benchmark. And in this video, we're going to dive into an overview of what the GAIA benchmark is and how to start testing your agents today for free. So let's jump right into it. First of all, let's begin on how I found out about this benchmark. So I'm taking this AI agents course created by Hugging Face, and to complete the course, you need to create your own AI agent and test it against the GAIA benchmark. And, and you have to get at least a 30% passing grade on the benchmark in able to earn your certificate of completion. So the course goes over different agentic frameworks such as small agents, LlamaIndex, and LangGraph. But you can use any framework that you want to complete the benchmark, to complete the test. But before we jump into how to test your agents, let's first understand what the GAIA benchmark is. And GAIA stands for General AI Assistance. So that's the GAIA benchmark. So that's the General AI Assistance benchmark. So the benchmark was first introduced by the Meta AI team, and you have people like Jan LeCun and Craig Swift, who are prominent figures in the AI space. And the benchmark was introduced in a paper called A Benchmark for General AI Assistance, which is literally what GAIA stands for. The paper goes over how they designed this benchmark and why they designed this benchmark. Point of this benchmark is to test AI agents' capabilities on multimodal reasoning, vision, and multi-step task handling. And the people at Meta AI say that the benchmark, if solved, would represent a milestone in AI research. And we'll go over why. So I just want you to focus on the center of the screen, and the benchmark has 3 difficulty levels. And here you have them. So the first level requires less than 5 steps and minimal tool usage. Second level involves more complex reasoning and coordination between multiple tools and between 5 to 10 steps. And level 3 demands long-term planning and advanced integration of various tools. So you can pause the video to read what a question in each level would look like. But as you can see, it goes from an increasing difficulty from doing some research and counting to doing visual reasoning to doing all of those things, plus tool usage, plus web searching, plus synthesis of searches. Level 3 is the final test, and if your agent can solve this according to Meta, it represents a big step in the AI agents technology. For the course that I'm taking, and as you can see, we have here on the left the different units, and I'll share the link to the course in the description. It's a free course, and it's super useful to learn about agentic frameworks. But anyhow, in order to pass the course and get your certificate of completion, you need to get at least 30% passing grade on the level 1 benchmark, which, it sounds pretty easy, but you need to learn how to build these AI agents. So this is a perfect course for learning how to build these agents, and it will teach you the basics and will allow you, it will teach you the basics of AI agents and agentic frameworks, and it will allow you to keep up with the technology, the terminology, and the different advancements because this field is fast evolving. So this course will provide you with the terminology and the tools for staying up to date and not be left behind. Anyways, the cool thing about Hugging Face is that they are basically a leader in open source AI tool development, and they're really driving forward AI technology, and it's open source, and they have this hub and this community that is super lively, and it's increasing in size every day, and people create tools you can share with each other, and it's great for people who are building and developing tools with AI. And the cool thing is that Hugging Face provides a really neat space for testing your agents against the Gaia benchmark. And we'll go over how to do that specifically. But what they've done is that they've compiled a select data set of the Gaia benchmark, and you build an agent around any of the frameworks. That could be small agents, LangGraph, LlamaIndex, whatever you choose, and test your agent's capabilities against the Gaia benchmark live directly on the Hugging Face page. Have a public leaderboard so you can test your agents against other agents people have built, which is pretty cool. You can see how you score up against your peers. Oh yeah, I'll share the link to all these pages. And here's the cool part. They provide a basic agent evaluation runner. So you have to create a free Hugging Face account, and then you create your own AI agent. Creating your AI agent is out of the scope of this video. I will make a different video showing you how to create your own AI agent that you can then test in this space. But if you already know how to create your agent, you can come here and test it against the Gaia benchmark and see how you do. Basically, you sign in with your Hugging Face account, and here I'm signing in through the agent's course, but you don't need to take the agent's course in order to use the agent evaluator. Here, after creating your agent, you run the evaluation and submit all your answers, and it will go through a process of asking your agent different questions and seeing if it gets the correct answer. And there's only one right answer, so it either gets it right or it doesn't. So it's a very good benchmark to test your agent capabilities. Well, once you create your agent and you submit it for evaluation, you get tested against 20 questions, and you get the score of the 20 questions right here below. And that's pretty much it. So to summarize, the GAIA benchmark stands for General AI Assistance Benchmark, and it provides a rigorous framework to test your AI agents and test any AI agent to test it on tool usage, reasoning, visual reasoning, and multi-step task execution. If we're able to solve the GAIA benchmark, it would represent a milestone in AI research and an advancement in the AI agents technology. And you can create your agents using Hugging Face's tools, and you can also test your agents within their testing space. I will leave the links of all of the resources that I've mentioned in the description, so you can go ahead and try it for yourself. And I highly recommend taking the AI agents course developed by Hugging Face. And remember, Hugging Face is a leader in open source AI development. So for anybody interested in developing AI solutions, LLM applications, AI tools, anything related to AI, Hugging Face is your go-to. Of course, there are other AI development companies out there, but if you want to get started for free today with a clear guide, Hugging Face is a pretty good starting point. So if you've enjoyed this video, if you learned something, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more videos like this, share with your friends, and do all that. And we'll see each other on the next one. Thank you for watching.